So we just sneaked into bird park with a lot of tropical birds. As you see, they have these funky birds with the hairy neck. And those funky candidates here. Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow. And those funky boys. And what else? Tambor de Bujara. Tambor de Bujara. Making interesting noise. I just had a nice conversation with the owner here, and a very nice old guy, 76 years old, man. He looking younger than my uncle with 40 years. So he told me that this is a native plant from here. As you can see on the sides, there are these things, they kind of sting you, and that this flower is native to this little jungle town called Puyo, and that he planted all of this here. It was a place with cows, and he said that this is the oldest tree here in the whole ground. And everything here he planted, so very beautiful. Do you see this crazy plant here? Very interesting. Vegetation of the jungle is my favorite. It's always full of colors, vibrant, beautiful. So this guy decided to get all kind of birds. Okay, Indian bird, and he decided to open up a bird park. And it charges $2 for that. I think that's fair enough. Modena Azul from Italia. So he knows where all of those birds are from. And it's very nice and interested in cultures. Oh, look at this one. Woo. Hey. Archangel. Hey. Beautiful birds from India. Again, some birds from India. Another bird, probably from India. Wow, this looks like a spooky Hagrid. Hi, spooky Hagrid. Spooky Hagrid. Spooky Hagrid, boy. Me, spooky Hagrid. Oh, looks like one of those drug dealers that are waiting on the main plaza to sell the drugs with their hat on like this. Hey bro, what you need, what you want? We just have some ducks and some gallus domestico. Hey boy, sup boy. Wow. Bro, never seen such funky birds. Oh, look at this one, man. Come on, you're a master of funkiness. Oh my gosh. What is it, this one? Woo, funky boy. A lot of chickens. Our funky brothers. Like the normal ducks that you see in Europe. Those ducks are helping the ayahuasca shamans to bring your visions true. These are vanilla thingies. Vanilla. Wow! Oh my gosh! I can smell it. Oh my god, man! This smells like paradise. Vanilla paradise. My god. This vanilla. Wow! Smells so amazing. I guess that's where the vanilla is inside. But I don't want to take it off. Just to respect the old guy and his work. Wow, but it smells so amazing. Just like a fresh vanilla cake. Some funky birds, more vanilla. Hey. Do you see this, my friends? Peacock. Peacock is walking his way. Yoop, yoop. What the fuck, man? Life. First ever shootage from red bananas, pink bananas.
También.
This is here the master of chickens. He's gonna have some word for us. Also, he says those chickens are very nice. And this is one of our last chickens from Japan. Konnichiwa. Trong ngon mình đây ngon lăng lăng chung chang wang lang wing wong wang. That's taking out his best chickens. Just cheated himself. This one very big. Hey. Se cagó el papi.
No importa.
Then this one is a fried chicken from England.
Hola, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Nicolai Soria. Bienvenidos al Parque Real de Aves Exóticas. Acá está considerada como una granja núcleo. Es un sitio en donde trabajamos mucho en el tema genético. Como pueden observar, tenemos alrededor de unas 22 razas de gallinas, faisanes, pavos reales, gansos, patos. Y lo que hacemos acá es trabajar mucho en el tema genético con animales para exposiciones, sean nacionales o sean internacionales. Aquí pueden observar, tenemos unos dos gallitos que son de la raza Serama malayo, el cual, como pueden observar en la parte de atrás, han quedado campeones nacionales y también internacionales. A nivel de la época de la pandemia, este que ven aquí participó en una exposición virtual en Argentina, en el cual quedó campeón latinoamericano.
Interesante, gracias. ¿Y este?
Okay.
¿Qué pasa con este?
Te explico un poquito de esto. Lo saco.
¿Qué pasa con este?
Ya, esta raza que tú ves aquí es una raza
inglesa. Para
sí.
hacer pelea.
Sí, antiguamente eran unos gallos de tamaño más grande en Inglaterra, el cual se utilizaba para peleas de gallos. Cuando prohibieron las peleas en Inglaterra, lo que hicieron ellos fue reducirle el tamaño porque se suspendieron las peleas. Entonces ahora es un animal solo para exhibición, ¿ya? Este que ven aquí quedó este mes de junio en una exposición virtual latinoamericana, igual quedó campeón latinoamericano de su raza, y en el mes de noviembre y diciembre quedó campeón nacional igual de la misma raza, aquí en Ecuador.
Wow, interesante. This is an old English game, Bantams.
Color krill.
Krill color. ¿Y aquí es tóxico o no? ¿Eso tocar?
No,
¿No?
no.
Parece peligroso.
No, pero ahí se ve mucho mejor.
So, once again we have this purple plant here, from which you can see the flower, which is native to Puyo, the village that we are in right now. Beautiful. Smells nice. Let's have you right here with your fresh harvested vanilla on the back of a truck.